Hey everybody, welcome back for another car wash review. Today I am in Brantford, Ontario at an Esso gas station on Linden Road, and they have a touchless car wash here that I've been to before. If you saw my video, it was years ago, I did kind of a touchless versus touch. I did this one here for the touchless, and then I went to a Shell, I believe it is in Ancaster, and this one did a horrible job. Now, like I said, that was years ago, and it could very well have changed. The system might even be totally different. I have no idea. I can't even quite see in the door, so I'm not even sure what system it is, and I don't remember what system it was last time. So if you guys remember, you can let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, I'll have to go back and check. But if you saw my last video, it was an Esso gas station out in Beamsville, and it did a horrible job. I said it was the worst car wash I've ever been to as far as the job it did on the vehicle. So I'm still driving the van, and it is still just as dirty. I'm going to get out and do a walk around and remind you how dirty it is, and we'll go through this and see if this can do any better. I can't see how it can do any worse than the last one. I know you guys were saying I should be doing the touchless systems to see if we can get this clean, because I had done a couple of touch ones, and it had left things like this. If you can see it right there, there's a little bit of a bird dropping that's been left over, and just certain spots couldn't get cleaned before. You guys thought maybe the touchless would be able to do that. So as you can see, the van's pretty dirty. And the problem with the last one is I didn't get any high pressure rinse at all. So if you don't have high pressure rinse, your vehicle is not going to get clean, regardless of how dirty it is. So that was a huge fail last time. So we'll see how this one does. Just going to put on my seatbelt so that you don't get the beeping. Okay. Now, truth be told, I actually purchased this car wash a while back. Well, it's probably been 2 or 3 weeks ago. So I forget how much it was. I think it's probably close to the same price as the last one I did at the other Esso. But this one gives you a code to 22307. Let's see here. Oh, it's down low. Alright. So, M5. I think the last one I did was an M5. Oh, so this is going to be a good comparison. Maybe we'll be able to see what an M5 is supposed to do. Now, this kills me. They say 7 feet. Oh, we're getting good side blasters here. So that's different from the last one. The last one did an underbody spray. The last one, this sign didn't work at all, or not until the very end. This one looks to be like it's working. Yeah, what I was going to say about that 7-foot sign there, letting you know the clearance. You say 7 feet, but normally I always rub against it, and I know this van's not 7 feet tall, so I find that kind of funny. I couldn't tell if I hit this one or not because the side blasters were so loud. Well, good coverage on the pre-soak. And if this one does a double pass like the last one did, it'll be pretty good. think it's going to do a double pass. Oh well. Coverage wasn't bad. Oh, so they're going right to the triphone. Ooh. Triphone's not bad. Definitely seen a lot better. I would have really liked to have had a high pressure rinse in between that. Well, that pressure seemed pretty strong. Forward? That's it? So there's no way I got any surface protectant or Rain-X or whatever else it was showing there. That was weird. Yeah, because you can tell nothing is beating off of this. Ugh. Got a lot of water still on me, but I think that's because I didn't get any really surface protectant or anything like that. Normally the water just would beat off from that. Huh. Well, the only good thing is I definitely got some high pressure rinse, so it seemed pretty powerful, so we'll see how it did. So still got a lot of dirt on the bottom half. There's even a bit of dirt on the top. Yeah, lots of dirt on the back still. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know, folks. I don't know if these touchlesses are gonna get this dirt off. I might have to go back to a touch soft cloth system. I mean, it did a better job than the last one, but I still didn't feel like I got everything I was supposed to. The last Esso in Beamsville, I didn't get any high pressure rinse, and I might have been missing some other things too, and the dryers weren't good. This one here, the dryers sounded strong, but I know I didn't get any Rain-X or a surface protectant on this because it just did the pre-soak tri-foam and 2 passes of the high pressure rinse, and that was it. So, I don't know, let me know what you think down in the comments below. Should I keep doing touchless, or should I go to a soft cloth to get this van clean? There is one other touchless system that I have in mind that's actually here in Brantford, that I heard they put a new system in. They changed it. So I might do that one next. We'll see how that one does. But I don't know. I'm a little undecided. So let me know in the comments below. What do you think of this wash? Was it worth it or not? I know it's definitely better than the last one. But yeah, and let me know which system you think I should do next, or car wash in general, to try and see if we can get this van clean again. All right, so thanks for watching. Appreciate the support. Like, subscribe, comment, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.